Today we're going to be doing third grade worksheet lesson 28. So let's start off with using the frequency table. So this frequency table shows us each sport and the number of people that choose it as their favorite sport. So number one, how many more students chose basketball than baseball? Basketball has 26 people and baseball, 17 people chose baseball. So we would just subtract the number of basketball from baseball. So that's just 26 minus 17, which is 9. Number two, which sport did the greatest number of students choose? Looking at this chart, we can see that the highest number is 30, and that's swimming. So swimming would be the sport with the greatest number of students. How many students answered the survey? We would just need to add all the number of people that chose the sports. So that's 26 plus 15 first. That's 6 plus 5 is 11. And you carry the 1. That's 4. We can cross this off because we did these two. Now let's add 41 to 17. 41 plus 17 is 58. Cross that off. Now adding hockey, 58 plus 21. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 5 plus 2 is 7. And swimming, 79 plus 30. That is 109 students who answered the survey. And now moving on to using the table. Number one, how many pictures are in the art show in all? Okay, so this chart shows us pictures in the art show. So to find the total number, we would just need to add every single number. So let's start off by adding the people. 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 1. That's 8 plus 8, which is 16, plus 1 is 17. Now the animals, 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3. 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 4 is 13, plus 3 is 16. And plants, 6 plus 2 plus 9 plus 5. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 9 is 17, plus 5 is 22. So now let's just add all three of these numbers. 7 plus 6 plus 2 is 15. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 5, which means there's 55 pictures in the art show in all. What is the subject of the greatest number of people in the art show? People, animals, or plants? Now, looking at our what we added from question number 1, we can see that plants has the highest number at 22. So that would be plants. Number 3, there are 12 possible categories of pictures in the art show. Which one was represented the least? So the lowest number here is people and pencil. So that's number 3. Now moving on to completing the questions. So right here we have a range of numbers, and each number has a certain amount of people. Number 1, what is the range and mode for this data? To find a range, we would just subtract the greatest value by the lowest value. The greatest value is 55 and the lowest value is 49. So we just subtract those to find the range, which is 6. And mode would be the number with the greatest frequency. So that would be 53 because it has the most smiley faces and each smiley face is a student. So mode would be 53. Number 2, how many students are 50 inches tall? So 50 here, and we got 1, 2, 3 students, which means 3 students are 50 inches tall. Moving on to word problems. Number 1, Katie has 21 stuffed animals. She wants to put an equal number on each of 3 shelves. How many animals will she put on each shelf? So key information, 21 stuffed animals, an equal number on 3 shelves. So each shelf needs to have the same amount, which means we'll do 21 divided by 3, and that is 7. So each shelf is going to have 7 animals, and there's 3 shelves. So that's 21 when you multiply it. So it adds up. Number 2, Arthur has 6 packages of stickers. Each package has 8 stickers. How many stickers does he have? 6 packages. Each package has 8 stickers. So that means we would just need to multiply the number of packages and the number of packages, the number of stickers that each package has. That would be 6 times 8, which is 48.